What if I told you that your money could secretly be your enemy? Yes, that hard-earned cash sitting in your bank account, the same one you sacrifice weekends and energy for, might be silently working against you every single day. According to a Federal Reserve study, over 63% of households are losing purchasing power every year because their money is stuck in the wrong places. Imagine running on a treadmill at full speed, but instead of moving forward, the machine is pushing you backward. That's what's happening with money for most people. Now, before you assume this is just about budgeting or saving, hold on. Because the signs your money is betraying you are way deeper, hidden in everyday habits, cultural traps, and even psychological blind spots that most people never notice. If you're committed to transforming your future, hit that subscribe button. We're here to provide the tools and motivation you need to make it happen. Let's get started. Sign number 1. Your savings account is a prison, not a safety net. Have you ever felt proud seeing a fat balance in your savings account? Feels safe, right? But here's the uncomfortable truth. Your bank loves it more than you do. The average U.S. savings account pays just 0.46% interest, while inflation eats away at around 3%, 6% annually. That means for every $10,000 you park, you're losing at least $250 a year in purchasing power. You think your money is safe, but it's secretly dying a slow death. Our parents told us to keep money safe in the bank. But here's the hidden mistake. They never taught us about capital appreciation or compound interest in stocks. Instead of letting your money rot, let it breathe. A well-diversified stock portfolio, index funds, or even short-term treasury ETFs can give your money growth while keeping liquidity. The transformation is huge. Your savings stop being a prison and turn into a stepping stone toward financial freedom. Number 2. Debt that looks like status. Picture this. Your neighbor drives up in a brand new $50,000 SUV, shiny, loaded with gadgets, financed on a 7-year loan. Everyone claps. But here's the truth no one says. He didn't buy a car, he bought debt. Money tied to liabilities works against you. Instead of earning dividend income, it's paying interest to the bank. Instead of compounding in stocks, it's compounding debt. Most people ask, but don't we deserve nice things? Of course. But here's a better question. Would I still want this if nobody could see it? If the answer is no, that purchase is not for you. It's for applause. Shift the game. Buy assets that buy you freedom. Imagine redirecting that $600 monthly car payment into a mutual fund or ETF. Over 10 years with 8% returns, that's over $110,000. Suddenly, you don't just have a car, you have wealth. And if you think debt is just about cars, wait until you hear the next sign, where money doesn't just work against you, it literally changes your future. Sign number 3. Living on tomorrow's paycheck today. In many places, payday is treated like a festival. People splurge the moment money arrives. Rent, bills, parties, even Immis, all lined up against the same paycheck. The result? By the 20th of the month, you're broke again, waiting for the next salary. This cycle is called income handcuffs. Your money isn't working for you, you're working for it. And psychologically, it keeps you trapped in a short-term survival mindset, blocking long-term investing. 61% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even among those earning over $100,000 a year. That's proof this is not about low income. It's about poor cash flow management. Ask yourself, if my paycheck stopped tomorrow, how many weeks could I survive? For most, the answer is frighteningly low. The fix isn't about earning more. It's about building a buffer. Automate a slice of income into investments before bills touch it. This one act flips the power dynamic. You stop living on borrowed time and start building a financial cushion. And cushions matter, because the next sign is about money leaks so invisible, most people never notice until it's too late. Sign number 4. Silent subscriptions and hidden expenses. Have you checked your credit card for $9.99 or $14.99 charges? Those silent subscriptions, unused streaming services, apps, memberships, are modern termites eating away at your wealth. Here's the deeper psychology. Every tiny charge lowers your sensitivity to money. It tricks your brain into believing leaks don't matter. But wealth is built not by giant wins, but by plugging holes. Test it like this. If this $10 were a stock, would I invest in it monthly? If not, cancel it. Redirect every leak into a growth vehicle. Imagine $100 per month funneled into a dividend ETF with reinvestment. Over 20 years, that's nearly $60,000 in dividend income and capital growth. Subscriptions are termites, but the next sign is like acid. It doesn't just leak money, it dissolves your future slowly. Number 5. Ignoring tax efficiency. Most people unknowingly lose thousands of dollars every single year, not because they made bad investments, but because they ignored tax efficiency. Think about it. You can grow a stock portfolio with the best dividend stocks, blue-chip shares, and index funds. But if you're cashing out or placing money in the wrong investment account, Uncle Sam quietly takes a bigger bite than you realize. A best-selling book, The Millionaire Next Door, mentions how wealthy people don't just make money, they protect it. Yet many everyday Americans invest without thinking of tax brackets, IRA versus Roth IRA advantages, or even capital gains timelines, and they end up frustrated when their passive income shrinks under a heavy tax bill. Imagine earning $10,000 in dividend income and losing nearly 30% of it just because you didn't use a tax-advantaged retirement portfolio. That's like working hard for 12 months and then burning 3 months of paychecks just for fun. Painful, right? Tax efficiency is not a bonus. It's the difference between retiring stressed at 65 or retiring wealthy at 45. Think of it like this. 2 investors earn the same return, but the one who's tax smart builds wealth decades faster. Which side do you want to be on? Number 6. Emotional investing. Picture this. Markets dip 10% and suddenly panic takes over. You sell everything thinking you're safe. But history shows markets always recover, and those who sold lost the rebound. The average equity mutual fund investor underperforms the market by 4–5% annually, simply because of emotional decisions. That's like burning thousands of dollars every year because fear hijacks logic. Why does this happen? Psychologists call it loss aversion. Losing $100 hurts twice as much as gaining $100 feels good. That bias tricks your money into working against you. The solution is rules, not moods. Use dollar-cost averaging. Automate investments so fear can't pause them. Train yourself to see market dips not as danger, but as discounts. Now, while emotions drain wealth in obvious ways, the next sign is even sneakier, because it looks like discipline, but it's actually decay. Number 7. Hoarding cash out of fear. If inflation averages 3%, your cash loses half its value in 24 years. That means $100,000 today shrinks to $50,000 worth of buying power without you spending a single dime. Many people brag, "I never invest, I only keep cash, it's safe." But safety without growth is actually slow financial suicide. This fear-driven hoarding comes from cultural memories. Our grandparents valued gold bars and cash under the mattress. But in today's world of compound interest in stocks, REITs, and ETFs, that strategy destroys wealth. Ask yourself, do I want to protect today's money or tomorrow's life? The answer decides whether you'll retire free or trapped. Number 8. Chasing hot tips and quick gains. Crypto pumps, penny stocks, meme stocks. You've seen the headlines. Everyone rushing to double money overnight. But here's the bitter truth. 95% of traders lose money in the long run, according to the National Bureau of Economic Research. Chasing hot tips turns your money into a gambler, not a worker. Instead of steady compound interest, you face wild swings. And the emotional roller coaster drains your focus and confidence. The mistake is believing wealth is built in explosions. In reality, it's built in boring consistency, blue-chip stocks, index funds, long-term investing. Here's the question. Would I still buy this stock if the market shut down for 10 years? If no, walk away. Now, while chasing tips feels like progress, the next sign reveals an even more dangerous illusion, thinking you're growing when you're actually shrinking. Number 9. Ignoring skills as an asset. According to a World Economic Forum report, individuals who consistently upskill earn 30–50% more over a decade than those who don't. That's like adding hundreds of thousands to your lifetime portfolio. But when people stop learning, their money starts working against them. Inflation rises, industries evolve, AI takes over jobs, and stagnant skills shrink your earning power. Most people think money only grows through external investments. But here's the overlooked truth. Your skills are your highest yield asset. Invest in courses, mentorship, books. That's not an expense. It's the ultimate dividend stock, you. But even if you master skills and money, there's one final sign, so subtle, so dangerous that it silently robs millions. Number 10. No clear financial vision. Here's the ultimate betrayal. If you don't tell your money where to go, it wanders. And wandering money works against you. Households with a written financial plan accumulate 2.5x more wealth than those without one. Clarity creates action, and action compounds. Without vision, you fall for lifestyle creep, peer pressure, endless upgrades. But with vision, every dollar becomes a soldier with a mission. Ask yourself, if I continue on my current path, what life will my money build for me? If the answer doesn't excite you, it's time to rewrite the plan. When you align your money with a vision, whether it's financial freedom, passive income from stocks, or building a retirement portfolio, you flip the script. Your money stops being an enemy and becomes your most loyal ally. Once you spot these traps, you hold the power to flip every dollar into a worker, every paycheck into an asset, every year into compounded wealth. If you got value today, give back with a like and a subscribe. It's the easiest way to say keep going. Share this video to your loved ones. And now, if you want to know 10 life-changing sacrifices you must make to become rich, then watch this video. I'll see you there.